When you change your key fob battery, typically a CR2032 or CR2450 lithium coin cell that lasts 1 to 5 years, the fob can lose its synchronization with your car. Key fob batteries are usually CR2032 or CR2450 lithium coin cells, with a lifespan of 1 to 5 years depending on usage. This is often because power loss puts the fob into a low-power sleep mode, disrupting the programmed security code. The fob loses its synchronization with your car, meaning you cannot remotely lock, unlock, or start your car. Resetting the fob involves resyncing or pairing it back to your vehicle, allowing you to remotely lock, unlock, and start your car again. The exact reset procedure varies by car make and model, but generally involves actions like cycling the vehicle locks or ignition while pressing buttons on the fob. Always check your owner's manual first, as incorrect attempts can trigger anti-theft systems. Note that the trend is shifting towards digital keys, but physical fobs are still widely used and require battery changes. The most common resyncing methods include entering your vehicle, cycling the ignition or door locks, and simultaneously pressing buttons on the fob. For Ford vehicles, press the lock and unlock buttons rapidly while turning the key in the ignition. For Toyota, insert the key, turn to the on position, and press fob buttons. Some newer cars, like certain Tesla and BMW models, allow resyncing via smartphone apps or the car's touchscreen menu. If a simple resync doesn't work, you might need full pairing, which reprograms the fob, often requiring dealership tools or accessing onboard menus. If the reset fails, check for interference from metal objects, a dead new battery, or potential receiver faults. If your car has a digital key option, explore that route in your car's app or settings menu to potentially bypass physical fob issues. Remember that cybersecurity of fobs is becoming a greater concern, so it is more important than ever to keep your vehicle's software up to date.